出国那个 Schlemm 中农山 Hima.
His own department or whether it's the other departments, there's a lot of work that's happening in Southwest Khasi Hills. I'm also happy to inform you that a few months back I had come to see some of the tourist destinations out here, and based on my visit last time, I had prepared an externally aided project through JICA, and I'm happy to inform you that JICA has cleared that project, and it is about close to, depending on the exchange in terms of the dollars and rupees exchange, it's plus minus 250 crores. So all of this money for tourism development will be spent in Southwest Khasi Hills and some part of Khasi Hills, of West Khasi Hills. So it's a huge project, and of course the different important locations like our the hot springs out here and our Nongna areas, and some of the areas in Ranipur, some of the monoliths that are here. All these areas are something that we feel that tourists from different parts of the country as well as different parts of the world would love to see. And therefore, we would like to create that opportunity for tourism out here by investing and going for a public-private partnership model where what we call community public-private partnership, where we allow the ownership of the community also to be there so that they can run it and maintain it, and we can create livelihood out of it. So you must have heard of PPP policies, public-private partnership policies. For the first time in the country, there is something called a community public-private partnership, where in Meghalaya we have decided that we will have a partnership with the community, not just an individual, and we will ensure that whatever investments the government makes, the returns of that and benefit of that must go back to the people. We can create the assets, but running it and maintaining it will be given back to the people, so that livelihood is created. We strongly feel that our people are dependent on the resources which are exhaustible or which are not renewable, whether it's the forest products or whether it's the different mineral resources we have. They have limitations, and at one day or one point in time we will run out of those resources. And even now as we speak, our forest covers are being affected because people don't have the livelihood options. Therefore, it is the duty and the responsibility of the government to create other forms of livelihood so that people can actually not depend on the forest.